I'm Duan. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Peter. Smart systems lead to better margins. PD Tech streamlines the admin for Kiwi tradespeople.
Get paid up to 2 times faster by giving customers the convenience of paying online by card, digital wallet, direct debit, and more. It's free and quick to set up online payment options on your Xero invoices. Plus, get access to flexible tools that make it even easier to get paid. Choose the services that suit your needs. With Stripe, you can offer more ways to pay, like cards, digital wallets, secure bank transfers, buy now, pay later options, and even tap to pay. And you can automate recurring payments with direct debit via Go Cardless, or allow customers to save their card details with Stripe AutoPay. A transaction fee will be applied when an invoice is paid online. Click the service you want, explore fees, and sign up in a few simple steps. Once you're set up, you can offer multiple payment methods or turn them off at any time. In regions where it's allowed, Stripe lets you add a surcharge to your invoice to pass on some or all of the transaction fee. You can set up invoice templates called branding themes that offer online payment as a default. For example, you could create an invoice branding theme that always offers Stripe. You can always edit the payment options on individual invoices before you send them. And you can send via email, copied link, or even by SMS, which on average leads to same-day payments. When customers receive your invoice, they simply click View and Pay online, then Pay. Or set and forget by authorising once to pay by direct debit for recurring invoices. If you're using Stripe, there's even more flexibility. For example, they can pay a deposit, which allows you to accept payment up front before the work begins. They can schedule payments so they won't forget later. Or they can pay multiple outstanding invoices with one payment directly from a statement. Once you receive your payment, Xero marks the invoice as paid for you and your customer, making reconciliation a breeze. So set up online payments in Xero to give your customers fast and flexible ways to pay. Because when it's easy to pay, there's less reason not to. Search online payments in the Xero help menu to find out more.